My name is Daniel Deras, and I completed West-MEC's welding technology program in spring of 2022. As soon as I graduated, I was fortunate enough to get an opportunity to go to Seattle, Washington, and intern at an underwater welding company. That was probably one of the best decisions I ever made. I learned so much while I was up there, got to learn the industry, got to meet new people, make and form relationships with company owners and just see how things ran, and I fell in love with it. West-MEC's program definitely opened many doors for me to be successful and see what my capabilities are and actually acting on my capabilities. So what pushed me to go towards underwater welding is I would look at my future and in welding, in the welding industry, and I couldn't see myself holding a stinger in my hand and just welding for the rest of my life. I didn't want to just be a welder. So I looked at opportunities that I could take from where I was at the West-MEC program, and it was just a giant tree of different avenues that I could take. I could be a welding inspector, I could go and weld on the pipeline, I can go anywhere I wanted with it. And the one avenue that I took was underwater welding. It just, looking at that career seemed like a very good opportunity to go and see a lot of different things, not just on land, but under the water as well. My plan is to go and be an inland diver for a company in Seattle, Washington, and then we'll see where it takes me.